Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to download the DraftKings Fantasy Sports app on an iPhone.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find a link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video.
We'll begin by opening up the App Store, which is right here. Once you get here, it will usually take you to the search page. But if you're not here, look on the bottom right-hand corner. Do you see this button that says search? Tap on that and it'll take you to here. Once here, click over here in this search bar where it says games. And you can start searching for DraftKings. And then make sure you don't do the sports book, but you do the DraftKings Fantasy Sports. So I click on that, and then this comes up, as you can see right here. Tap on the first one, and it's the DraftKings Fantasy Sports. Make sure you're on the right one. Once here, click over here where it says Get, and then it will ask you to confirm. And yours might look slightly different depending on the iPhone and the iOS that you're on. So follow whatever instruction that you have. Mine is telling me to double click on the side button. So I'll double click on that. And then that confirms it. And you start downloading here in a minute. And as you can see over here, it's showing you how much progress he has made. And then once you reach all the way to the other side, to the top where it connects, that means the app has been downloading. So this can take a minute. There we go. When it says open like this, that means it has successfully downloaded the app. So when I click on open, it takes me to the DraftKings opening page. This is how you can download the DraftKings Fantasy Sports app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, make sure you like the button because that helps me, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.